Haduh san posan hajar chispa prab khundai ngot ke khna kin yakhun yaka Eksam Secondary School Leaving Certificate Sslc pat lai phusau hajar lai spa lai posan ngot kin yakhun yaka Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate Hsslc kamban stang nadu ka shitrek leber bat sau trek leber pa bentip yakane hakasingi palang Myntri katanat Pule Puthi rakam sangma ulai ka jing khuble kitbok ya barok ke khna Pule ki banya khun ya kineki Eksam bala pelong dak Meghalaya Board of School Education ulai thu pakidan Haduh chispa pratali ki center ya ka Hsslc Eksam bat chispa san khundai tali ki Sslc ha barok ki khat tali ki district ka jila ula ongru ba katanat kala shim ya barok kilat kilinti ban pindikna ba kineki Eksam kinlong ki bayat bet yait nti
the Meghalaya Board of School Education, the final examination Sslc and Hsslc will commence from 1st and 4th March 2024. So in this regard, I want to convey my best wishes to all my students, those going to appear for final exam in Sslc and Hsslc, both science, commerce and humanities. And I also wish my best wishes to all the parents and all the Meghalaya Board of School officers, and also would like to convey my small advice to my dear students. This is very important moment to all of them, and you must concentrate only in the exam and forget about the rest for next 1 month, 1.5 months. And this examination will change the entire journey of your life, and it's very crucial for each one of you. Therefore, I urge every student to perform well, to concentrate, and give less time to your mobile, give less time to other activities for next 20 or about 1 month time, and concentrate and do well, because your parents has invested a lot and waiting for the good result, and your institutions, the government also waiting for your good performance. And please bring proud of your institutions, of yourself, your community, and your parents also. Therefore, this is my because about 28,072 students will be appearing for Sslc examination, and 2,812 for science, 2,440 for commerce. Total 34,335 students will be appearing for Sslc, both science, commerce and the arts stream. And for Sslc, 55,189 students will be appearing for Sslc examination 2024.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center